Okay, so everybody, both partners, need to find one of these, a 2x4. And then everybody needs to be able to make a circle with these tan pieces. Now, some people will have several of these. It's a mixture whether you have this or these. If your team has 2 of these, you should each take 1 and then each take 2. You know, if your team only has 1 of these, 1 of you take it and the other one has 4 of these. You make the circle and then you're going to stick this on in the middle to hold it together. Now, everybody turn this upside down and you're going to take your 4 big, huge, curvy pieces and you stick them on like this. Actually, no, sorry. It's better to do this first. Everybody takes this and sticks it into the middle of their circle. Now you take these and you line them up with the quarter pieces, is the easiest way to know how to fit them on. You stick these on. Okay, now up until this point, everybody has been doing the same thing. Now, right now, one of you needs to take 4 of these pieces and one of you needs to take 4 of these pieces. So, the person who has these 4, these go on exactly matching these pieces here, and that's a bit tricky because these can break off very easily at this point. No, sorry. The person who takes these 4 also needs to take this last big round piece, and the person who takes these 4 also needs to take your 4 slopey up pieces. So the person with the 4 slopey up pieces, you are going to stick those 4 slopey up pieces across the joins between your big curved pieces on the inside edge, like this. Now, the person with the green pieces, you're going to take your round piece and stick it in here on top of the round piece that's already in. It can be hard to line this up right. There we go. Now, brown person, you are taking these pieces and you're fitting them in between your slopes, and green person, you're taking these pieces and sticking them on. Now, this bit might kind of lean outwards as you're doing it. You're trying to make sure it gets attached to the middle. Once you have these green pieces on, it will hold together better, but it'll still be a little bit wiggly. Okay. Now, this is our burger. And our problem is, how do we stick it together? Because both of these are the undersides, not the stud side. So we're going to make a special shape for sticking it together with. Work together, stack up your 2x4 pieces, your 2 plates and your brick, and then take these 2 pieces and stick them on the bottom, like this. Now, these pins stick into the holes on the brown side. Brown person should do this, and then they should hand their half to the green person, who gets to stick the whole thing together, which again is a bit fiddly. You have to slide it around, but